Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, you are going to learn how we can change the theme color of our Android Studio. So let's begin. So first of all, we have to click on this file icon. Then we have to click on setting option, this setting option. And then we have to, um, actually my laptop is slow. Then we have to select appearance option, this appearance option, and when we will click this appearance option we can see this theme option. At the same time we can see a spinner option in the right side of this theme. So let's click on this spinner option, and right now we can see here three new options. So you can take these three options by selecting one by one, and I am showing you as well by selecting one by one. So let's select first one, IntelliJ Light. Let's click this one and click on apply. And guys, you can see here my theme has become changed into an white color. So let's check second one. This second one is Darkula, so let's select it and click on apply. And second one is look like this color, and so let's check the third one, high contrast, and click on apply. And my theme has become changed into dark black. And in this way you can check this three option one by one, and you can select one option, which option you like the most. And I like this color, this high contrast theme option is like I like the most. That's why I'm selecting this one, and I will click on OK. And in this way you can change your Android Studio's theme. So guys, I hope that you have understood properly that how you can change the theme of your Android Studio. So that's all in this video, and please subscribe my channel, and finally thank you very much for watching my video.